Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sashoni and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 websites that you can go on to apply for jobs in Japan. So if you're currently working a full-time job, you can use these websites to search for a second job. So let me get into the video. Stars, I'm a fool for your love. I'm gonna be starting at the least to the best. So number 5 is Craigslist. Before I got my second job, I went on Craigslist. I typed in Craigslist Tokyo because there's no Craigslist Yokohama, so Craigslist Tokyo was what I used. I actually applied to a lot of jobs and I went on a lot of interviews, but I guess they didn't work out how I wanted it to work out. So I didn't choose those companies, or they didn't choose me. The sad reality. But anyway, so I need to warn you guys though, because Craigslist, anyone can post a job on Craigslist, so you have to be extremely careful if you're gonna go through this route, because there are persons who are stealing people's identity on Craigslist. So you have to be extremely careful if you're going to use this. And most time, what I'm going to give you a trick that I did. So whenever I saw a job posting that I was interested in, what I did was I actually emailed the person or the company and to ask them if it was still available. So when they respond to me, then I would see their email address and their also if they have like a title below their name, so I could see like the name of the company. So that's one thing I use to verify the company. And then I would do like a quick search on Google to find out what kind of company it is. Or you can straight up ask them like what's the name of your company. If it's a case where they did not include their company information in the initial job post. What I've noticed as well is that persons are asking for both your resume and a photo. So I'm not sending you no photo plus my resume for you to steal my identity. Choose this option at your own risk. But there are good companies there, like language schools on Craigslist, that are genuinely looking for teachers, for example. But you also have like other, like there are lots of different type of postings, but what I'm mainly interested in, or what I mainly search for, is English teacher or assistant language teacher. Number 4, YOLO. So YOLO Japan is a site that I signed up for like a couple months back. To be honest with you guys, I've never gotten like a job from this site because one, they offer different postings, like for example ask you to like partake in like a focus group, or they might post like job about waitresses, waiter, or hotel, which I'm not necessarily interested in. And also for the survey is usually within the time frame that I'm available, so I could never ever apply to any of those jobs. But they also have like surveys. So like for example, if you have a credit card, they might ask you to do a survey about credit card. Or if for example you have a bank account, they might ask you how opening the bank account process, was it like easy or stuff like that. But for me now, when the survey that I have applied to, I never actually selected me, so I don't know what's going on with this company. But you can try it. Hopefully you get through, you have better luck than me. But it's a platform that you can use to apply for jobs. Okay, moving on. Number 3 is Hello Sensei. Hello Sensei is a site that you create an account and students will contact you based on the area that you are living in, or whatever it is that you put as your area of expertise. They might contact you based on that. So with Hello Sentinel, I've gotten about 3 students from that site, and they were 3 adults. Yeah, so Hello Sentinel is usually like a short-term thing. So like for example, the very first guy that I worked with, he was very interested in Jamaican culture, Jamaican music. So he contacted me because he wanted to improve his English, as well as he wanted to learn patois, which is like what Jamaicans speak in Jamaica, some Jamaicans speak in Jamaica, because he had like some songs that he really loved, and he wanted to understand what it is that these singers were saying in the songs. So he hired me for like a couple months, and we went through the songs. I transcribed the songs for him, and I translated the songs from patois to English, so that he could better understand what he was saying, because of course I can't translate it into Japanese because I don't know Japanese. But yeah, so yeah, it was like just a couple months. So I guess after he got what he wanted, like all these songs, he knew what the singers were talking about, he didn't mess with me anymore, so I lost him. There were two other ladies which we had like a brief thing. So yeah, so Hello Sensei, your creative profile, students contact you, you teach them, you set your time, you set your availability, you and a student set the schedule, so you pretty much work on your own. So it's like a one-on-one tutoring with Hello Sensei. So it's like, this is like a very good platform to try out if you are interested in teaching English or any other language, because they also have like Spanish, Japanese, I think Korean. There are other languages on the site that you can teach as well. Number 2 is jobs in Japan. So jobs in Japan now, this site, which is also similar to number 1, this site is where like all of the big companies, they advertise on. So if you want something like maybe like a full-time structured job, if you want to work for an organization that is well established, then you can check out jobsinjapan.com, because this site is where like the top of the top companies post. I've used this one and number 1. So to be honest, I'm not sure which one I've gotten more success from. Number 1 is Gaijin Pot. Gaijin Pot is the platform that I use to get the job that I currently have right now. So this as well, number 2, they are both very good platform to go on if you're looking for jobs from companies that are very established. I think it's very easy for you to get a second job in Japan. You just have to be persistent, and you have to apply, because you can't apply for like 1 or 2 times and expect to get a call, because of course it's slightly competitive. It might not be as competitive as it is, for example, in Jamaica, but you'd still need to apply for multiple places so that you can hopefully get something. Because I've been on many interviews in Japan, and I didn't stop until I landed a job, the perfect job that I want. So my second job is perfect. It works within my schedule, everything. I make my own schedule pretty much, because I work when I want to work. So that's the very good thing about that's the very good thing about this job that I currently have. I work when I want to work. And this is for my second job, not my main job, because my main job I have to find my butt at work every single day. But anyways guys, I hope that this video was very informative for you, and if you use any of these sites that I recommended, please come back and tell me about it. I really want to hear if you guys have any success with these sites. Alright, so anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and please remember to subscribe to my channel, okay? And until next time, bye guys.